Welcome to our new house. This episode we are going to focus on the living room, kitchen and the main bedroom renovation. Let's see this hot water.
Good morning! I woke up today. First thing first, I had to come to the living room and have a look because we finally finished all the painting yesterday. This room, it used to be in orange, so the bottom bit of them are in orange, and it looks nice if put in like all the decoration and stuff, but still it's not quite our style. So we chose lake paint. We choose this color, slightly greenish gray tone, and white free. Before we decided, we actually got like a couple of samples. It's like a sticker, so you can put it on the wall and just to see if the color is right. So we decided to go with the warmer white tone and then slightly matte green. So you can see here is like after it dries, and this is how it looks like, and it's exactly on the wall. So these bottom bit, it used to be like really old, looks really old, and they have many gaps in between, but we just put that in and then flatten it out and smoothen it and then paint it on top, and now it looks like new.
I also replastered some of the wall and the door frame because it's really lumpy, so I tried to make it as smooth as possible. So for delivery, super excited for it to come in because we've been sitting on the floor for a week and a half, and I think that's just the best feeling. To increase some privacy, we added a double layer curtain at our main window. They are from IKEA and the price is pretty good. A year later, this is our living room. We not only have the sofa, but we also got the coffee table from Habitat. I made this mirror on top of the fireplace. We got some lighting from a charity shop. We got loads of prints. The table is from Facebook Marketplace. It was only £50. Most of our furniture are refurbished or we got it from a second-hand shop. And obviously, we also have Peach. Get up. A roof leak. Nightmare. Oh no. A big gap. What do you think? What? How are we gonna fix this? I don't know how to fix it. You know how to fix it? QP. Okay, enough for the horror movie intro. Let's get to work. We decided to give it a go to plaster the wall ourselves and then see if we can actually make it work. And of course, we don't know what we were doing, so we ended up spending days trying to smooth it out.
Look at this. We are fixing the wall, and George removed the pipe was in the wardrobe before. We sort of like, oh, we don't know what to do with it, and if we remove it, we kind of had to replace the carpet, which I think is a bit difficult. So ended up with just remove all the pipe originally from this side. Top it also have like crack and also like opening, so just remove that and then fill in all the holes that it was holding this toilet thing. He actually did this, replastered the wall. We are really worried that it is actually a bit lumpy, so not sure how it turns out. Hi! Today I am going to, actually I did it already, like to sand it down the wall and then also paint it. The paint arrived today and is literally downstairs. I can show in a minute. Yes, so I'm gonna show you what we did whole morning trying to get this done. So this is how it looks now from this wall. So whole morning I was trying to, you know, sand it down with 120 not gram, obviously, I don't know how to measure this, but 120 sandpaper, and sand down this wall. I know you can't really see it well from camera, but this is so much nicer and smoother. It was so wobbly and now it seems to be a straight line, so I'm very impressed we actually did this. The idea is to get all this wall pink and then the cupboard also pink and everywhere.
Who knows, you need a couple of layers of plastering and then sand it down and base coat before painting. Day 4, we nearly finished all the painting. We just need the middle bit finished and this pink room is ready. This is the result. Welcome to my pink bedroom. The whole look is so much different than before and much warmer and much brighter. We got the clothing unit from IKEA, and for the cupboard I still need to make the door to hide everything we put inside. And we got the table upstairs as well, so if you want to work from home we have extra space to work in the bedroom, which is pretty nice. The bed frame is from Wayfair. I think we transformed this room completely and make it super warm and cozy. Kitchen renew. Instead of getting a new kitchen in, I decided to paint another color and change all the hardware. This way you can save a lot of money and have a new look in your kitchen. Step 1. You remove all the kitchen cabinet doors. Sand them down bit by bit, every corner, every panels, and lay them down on the floor. Apply primer before the painting. If you have a spray painting machine, that will be absolutely perfect because you can get a very smooth surface instead of a hand brush painting. And replace the new handles. This takes us so long to finish, more than a week to repaint them, because I need to also put matte lacquer on top, so then it will be waterproof and the color won't come off. This is the final result of our kitchen. I really love the color. They look shiny, they brighten up so much, and I am so glad we did that work, so we don't need to spend 10,000 for a new kitchen, and we just refurbish what we got just to change the handles, the little detail in the kitchen that can really elevate the whole look and getting exactly the vibes you want. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy your DIY projects, and comments below to let me know how it goes.